Hey guys, it's Kathy Bees, and I'm back with another YouTube tutorial. This time on decorating for Christmas. Everyone's favorite holiday, especially mine. As you can see, I'm decked out in Christmas gear, as you always should be when you're decorating. It gets you in the holiday spirit. You also need to make hot chocolate and put on Christmas tunes, so I hope you are prepared. I went to Michael's recently and got all of this amazing stuff to add to my already beautiful collection of Christmas ornaments. I've collected like fine wine over the years. The main area is really going to be a winter Wonderland theme, and I was so excited because Michael's Arts and Crafts, my second home, had this entire section, and I just lost my mind. I did. And so this is what happens. Also, over here, I got a Christmas skirt, tree skirt, sorry. These really nice rustic bows. And also these beautiful stockings. I got these to hang from the doors in my apartment. They're like little jingle bells. They're quite loud, actually. Okay, that might be annoying actually after time. We'll see. Cute little topper from Crate and Barrel. I mean, come on. They're little gingerbread measuring cups. How could you say no to this? And then I got these really nice gold and rose gold color decorations to decorate the tree with. I wanted it to kind of go with my curtains over here. I got these on sale for 80% off, which these lanterns are almost $40 a piece for the large ones. You can't beat it. I got 5. I'm gonna be decorating the mirror behind me, my bedroom, the chimney, the faux fireplace. It's not a chimney, fine. And the living room area. The tree is gonna go here against the wall, and then we'll find out where to put the other decorations because I have so many I need to figure it out. Stay tuned.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that'll talk and we'll go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. There's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that'll make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see.
Moving on to my collector's items. It's a lot of colorful reds in here, and I think I'm gonna play around with this in the kitchen, the bedroom, and my bathroom.
Sure, it's Christmas once more.
So I made these a few years ago for Christmas, and they're little envelope pillowcases that go over already existing pillows. which are perfect because then you don't need to buy new pillows. You can just use the ones that go already on your couch.
Boom boom, boom boom, boom boom, boom boom, boom boom.
I also have these really cute Christmas cookie cans from the dollar store that were only $3, maybe $2 each. I'm gonna leave them around my kitchen until I make my Christmas cookies for this year. My mom made fake presents a couple years ago, and she gave them to me. This one has multiple layers. Carmen, you've truly outdone yourself, but thank you.
Santa baby, a 54 convertible to.
So I got these from Big Lots. They're $4 and they go on either windows or mirrors. So let's see what these look like.
Down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed. Next year I could be just as good if you check off my Christmas list. Santa baby, I want a yacht, and really that's not a lot. Been an angel all year, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa honey, one little thing I really need, the deed to a platinum mine, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa cutie.
Hope you guys enjoyed this YouTube tutorial and decorating with me. These decorations are gonna stay up until Mardi Gras actually, because at that point, it's a whole new set that I'm gonna pull out of storage. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below and hit that subscribe button as well if you want to be alerted on when I come out with a new YouTube tutorial. For the rest of 2020, happy holidays, happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa, just happy everything. Be happy. Merry Christmas.
Decorations bought at Tiffany. I really do believe in you.